by the way, our school teacher, our class movie with him. And honestly, this is मेरी अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी पिक्चर है. And it's because of Siddharth sir, Roshan sir, Shahid and Pooja. And I'm really excited. I was damn excited to be part of this film. And thank you for having me in this film. And the intensity in not just in this scene, it's in every scene in the film. And it's Shahid and Roshan sir's vision, which is fantastic, by the way.
टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटेंसिटी, डांस में इतनी इंटेंसिटी और ऐसी खतरनाक वाली कौन डाल सकता है यार?
Only Shahid, and we've been talking about it for the longest time. कि Shahid, when are you dancing? And we were talking about it in the vanity कि हम when are you gonna dance? And I think you've seen it in Bhasad Macha. It's fantastic.
क्या भसड़ मचाई है, क्या भसड़ मचाई है पूरी टीम ने. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, one more time ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time to invite on stage someone.
Investigative journalism, I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So yeah, I think Diya is the perfect like takkar to Dev's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female. Because she's not afraid to speak her mind, she's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that he's being questioned about, which is the line which he's saying that police ya mafia is written by Diya because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Diya. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
Softer side is so कड़क, तो बाद में तो क्या होने वाला है? We'll get to know when the movie releases. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I know तुम लोग करने नहीं दोगे मेरे को intro ये वाला, लेकिन मैं करूँगा. All right, it's an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to now invite on stage this Bollywood superstar who's mesmerized the audiences for the last 2 decades. एक परफॉर्मेंस, फिर चाहे चार्मिंग हीरो वाली हो, रोमांटिक हीरो वाली हो, इंटेंसिटी या ड्रामेटिक वाली हो, दिस मैन हैज किल्ड इट एवरी सिंगल टाइम. एंड इसीलिए सिर्फ हमारे देश का नहीं, हर किसी का सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट सुपरस्टार ही इज. गिव इट अप फॉर शाहिद कपूर. शाहिद कपूर. Ala re ala, Deva ala. And kya you and of course the entire team, kya bolenge after we've seen the trailer?
Well, this is 3 years, 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because it will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I'm capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफर किया, और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. I want to thank everybody who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all.
So just one last thing. We do a quick picture and then of course we'll take your questions. लेकिन उससे पहले, talk to us about that intensity, because anyone and everyone who's seen the teaser, या फिर चाहे वो गाना भी, usually we see a song and we know you're a brilliant dancer. लेकिन how do you get that intensity? Talk to us about that. क्या preparation चल रही थी? What was going on यहाँ पे?
Actually, as an actor, आप हमेशा वेट करते हो कि आपको कुछ नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाने के लिए कैसे मौका मिले. ऐसा आसान नहीं होता है. मैं तो जाके कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. जो फिल्म की कहानी है, जो कैरेक्टर है, जो वर्ल्ड है, उसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मैं वो ही कर सकता हूँ. और उससे ज़्यादा करूँगा तो ख़राब कर दूँगा. होपफुली उससे कम तो नहीं करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं है मेरा नेचर. लेकिन इस फिल्म ने मुझे फिर से बहुत वक्त बाद ऐसा मौका दिया कि एज एन एक्टर मैं अपने आप को पुश कर पाऊँ. लेकिन there is also a lot of presence and aura of this character. So you know there is also an overwhelming personality जो देवा की है, which gives him that charisma and that star quality. So it needed to be a combination of both those elements. And आप फिल्म देखो यार, मतलब बोलने का क्या फायदा है, हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया है, you know, आप लोग देखो, tell us what you feel, we've given it everything we have.
But I have to say he's done it outstandingly well. When I watched the trailer, I called him and I spoke to him and I was like, how have you done it? Like, I can literally count the veins on your forehead and your face. Like, how? And even the first half, you know, where he's like giving his lines when I thought it was dubbed and he's like, no, that's on the scene. But it was so eerie and like I think you're definitely gonna see a new Shahid because I feel like you've seen him do the other characters that he's done in his other films, but this is so restrained and intense and it's just amazing.
It's because Pooja, I am Mafia.
Okay. See, I have a lot of questions, but before that, we'll do a quick pitch.
डांस सीक्वेंसेस किया है, डांस म्यूजिक किया है, तो ऐसी कौन सी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस जिसके साथ आपको बिल्कुल भी डिफिकल्टी महसूस नहीं हुआ इन टर्म्स ऑफ डांसिंग?
ये बैठी हैं मेरे साथ, पूजा हेगड़े, इनके साथ बिल्कुल डिफिकल्टी नहीं हुई मुझे डांस करके, बहुत मज़ा आया. हमने कट के बाद ये वाला स्टेप भी किया. This is our पूजा. Yeah.
When you play the character, and there were obviously intricacies that come with playing a journalist, what was the kind of brief given to you that it has to match the intensity, or yours is a more restrained form of making sure that you become an aid to Shahid's character, or it's more like I'll be the propeller of whatever happens in his life?
I mean, I've always been. Check. I've always been attracted to this investigative journalist, that kind of a character. But I think the brief, in films like Spotlight and these kind of films, when I watched them, I just thought. I love the intensity and I like the urge to know and find out the truth. And sometimes, with people like that, they tend to be blinded by everything else except for finding this out. But I think the brief that Roshan sir and I, when we first met, we thought we'd meet for 5 minutes and then we went on talking about our love for films and David Fincher and all these kind of films. But I think the one brief Roshan sir gave me was I want to see Diya and I don't want to see Pooja. And that was something that I strived to achieve. I wanted her to be authentically herself, be strong but not rude. And she's at the same time, she's not afraid of speaking her mind. So when you watch the film, you will understand and you will kind of know what I'm talking about. But she's at the same time got a little softness. I don't know if that answers the question. So I think that's what I strive for, just being authentically herself. And I think she's pretty much the middle class girl of today who's like, this is what we see in women today. And I think that's what, I hope Roshan sir, I've done justice to portray your Diya, and I have followed your brief.
Thank you. All right, for Siddharth sir, we have
ये फिल्म की कहानी और इस बंदे का हेड स्पेस, ये दोनों कनेक्टेड हैं. ऐसे बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं जैसे डेविड फिंचर, शी सेड, आई थिंक रोशन ऑल्सो रियली एंजॉयज डेविड फिंचर्स वर्क. तो एक चीज़ होती है कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर ओरिएंटेड होती है, जिसमें परफॉर्मेंसेज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं और वो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर एंड द इनसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वो दोनों चीज़ें कनेक्टेड होती हैं, तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि देवा, शायद हैदर में भी कुछ हद तक ये चीज़ थी, उसका जो मूड था, बट उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे. इसके अंदर आई थिंक देवा का जो इनर हेड स्पेस है और जो वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग रोशन ने की है, वो हमेशा कनेक्टेड है. तो हमारी फिल्म में जो मौसम होगा या जिस तरीके की लाइटिंग होगी, जो अमित यहाँ पर हैं, जो हमारे साथ हैं, अमित रॉय, applause for Amit and Ken, who's also here, the entire team is here. तो वो चीज़ें बड़ी इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं अगर आप फिल्म को थोड़ा सा गहराई से देखेंगे, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में सेकेंड और थर्ड लेयर है. आजकल कई सारी ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं जो बड़ी नॉइजी होती हैं और प्रोमो में बड़ी आवाज़ हो जाती है, बट आप 2.5 घंटा जब बैठते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि उतना ही मिला जो प्रोमो में देखा. कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जिसके अंदर आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं ये लिबर्टी लूँगा ये कहने की कि मैंने अपने करियर में जितनी भी फिल्में की हैं ये डेफिनेटली उस कैटेगरी में आती है कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, एक तो इस फिल्म का क्लाइमैक्स जो है दैट्स द रीजन आई डिड दिस फिल्म, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूँगा बट इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग, बट ये उस कैटेगरी में आती है फिल्म जिसके बारे में आप देखने के बाद भी बात कर सकते हैं, शायद सेकेंड टाइम भी देखने का मन करेगा उसको पूरी तरह समझने के लिए, बट साइमल्टेनियसली बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है, कहीं पे भी पेस स्लो नहीं होती है और बहुत बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ल्ड है फिल्म की और कैरेक्टर की हेड स्पेस की। तो फॉर मी दैट इज व्हाट देवा इज, इट इज द हेड स्पेस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इन द वर्ल्ड दैट हैज बीन बिल्ट अराउंड बाय रोशन एंड द थ्रिलर एस्पेक्ट व्हिच कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप्स यू वंडरिंग कि हो क्या रहा है, दैट्स व्हाट इट इज।
Thank you so much.
के लिए so Shahid was kind enough to get food for me, which was lovely. And मुझे नहीं पता था मेरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में वो भी ऐड हो गया है, so nicely done. But I think our romance on screen was fantastic because we got along very very well off screen. I met Shahid I think before we shot, 10 days before I think Diwali पे कहीं पर, and I told Shahid कि did you know that time I was doing the film? Shahid. But that's the time I told him that I've grown up, copying his dance steps, and I joined Shamak because Shahid was in Shamak. So always been a big fan of his. Always been a big fan of Roshan sir. And Siddharth sir, I just want to say you were the first person who called me after Thappad release. So that was the biggest thing that I could get a call from you. So I've worked with this wonderful crew, and Shahid was literally the backbone of this. So thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, the next.
Well, I think it was about the story really. There was no brief other than him sort of like narrating the story of the film, and it blew us all away. It blew me away. It blew our team away. Malvika, Insea, all our whole team from Roycoat Films loved it and decided that we had to make it, and that's really where the journey began. So he didn't really have to give me much more of a brief than just saying what the story was.
All right, the next one is from. Sorry.
Survival on the set was hard, bro. Hard.
All right, the next one is from Divya, India Forum se.
My career where the roles I do now will define me who I am as an actor, and I just wanted to take versatile roles like the other film of mine where I'm playing a very different characters compared to this. I think by that he means that I'm working in many languages about it also. But I think it's a reflection of the films that I've done, and I've just always believed that to go wherever the content is good, and I've gone by my gut feeling. But my journey has always been it's not just been that one pan-India film. I think it's because I've worked in Telugu, I've worked in Tamil, I've worked in Hindi, and I've been loved and appreciated and accepted, which is a privilege, I feel. It's an honor, and it's truly humbling and makes me work harder. So thank you so much, and I don't know, maybe I'm a Mumbai girl who started my career in Tamil Nadu and got love and appreciation in Telugu, but I am from Karnataka originally, so maybe that helps too.
All right, Rahul from the film.